Imagine yourself going home after a long day at work, and when you're about to start the car, you find yourself stuck. The car won't start because you've got a flat battery or a punched tire. Frustrating, isn't it? Don't worry, just call ARS Singapore at 8618-9000. Luckily for you, ARS is a 24-hour mobile roadside assistance service provider. Just dial 8618-9000 and they'll come save you in no time. Just about 30 minutes. They accept cash and also nets. Wow, how convenient is that? ARS offers you the perfect solution to all the common causes of a car breakdown. Car battery replacement, tire repair and patching, car battery jumpstart, towing services. ARS also gives you a 12 months warranty for their car batteries, giving you a peace of mind wherever you go. With ARS, it's all fast and convenient, affordable, and professional. Guaranteed to leave customers with smiles on their face. Just remember, ARS is here 24/7 whenever you need them. All day, every day. 8618-9000. Call ARS today for a diagnosis absolutely free. Save their number, 8618-9000. They'll save you one day.